In this video, I am going to talk about 3 things that is happening during sleeping. Okay, number 1 is resting. When you sleep, brain and your body is resting. It's basic, right? But what is happening exactly? Now I shall talk about autonomic nervous system. There are 2 nervous systems in autonomic nervous system. One is sympathetic nervous system, which is fight or flight nerve. If sympathetic nervous system is activated, your blood pressure increases, your heart rate increases to ready for fight, right? During daytime, sympathetic nervous system is activated, okay? Then there is another nervous system, which is parasympathetic nervous system. This nerve is basically for relaxing nerve, okay? This nerve is activated during eating, during digestion, during sleep. You are relaxed during sleep, right? Daytime, sympathetic nervous system is activated. During nighttime, parasympathetic nervous system is activated. And during sleeping time, parasympathetic nervous system increases and this switching. Now, if sympathetic nervous system is still activated during nighttime, you can't sleep very well. Even though if you can sleep, it's not very good quality of sleeping. So switching sympathetic, parasympathetic nervous system is very, very important for sleeping. Okay, so number 1, rest is happening during sleep. Number 2 is your short-term memory is transferred to long-term memory. This light green structure is main place for short-term memory. What is this? This is hippocampus. Short-term memory is stored in hippocampus, like what you ate for breakfast, what you learned in classroom, okay? Then during sleeping, short-term memory is transferred to long-term memory. Where is that going? It goes to cerebral cortex. It goes to cerebrum. Short-term memory is stored in hippocampus. During sleeping time, short-term memory is transferred to cerebral cortex. Okay, this process happens during sleeping. Now that sounds very interesting, right? Number 2, short-term memory is transferred to long-term memory. Number 3, cleaning up in brain is happening. In human brain, metabolism is happening all the time. Of course, there is waste product because of metabolism, right? There's one factor that can be very dangerous for brain. That is amyloid beta. Amyloid beta. During sleeping, amyloid beta or other waste product is cleaned up. This is natural event. But if you can't sleep well, this cleaning process is not completed very well. What happens if beta amyloid accumulates for long time, like years of accumulation? That can break up brain tissues, that breaks up nervous cells. What happens if brain cells are damaged? Brain shrinks. That can be, amyloid beta can be one factor for Alzheimer's disease. There are many other factors such as tau protein and other things, but amyloid beta can be one reason for Alzheimer's disease. Then hippocampus again. Because of accumulation of amyloid beta, what happens to hippocampus? This can also shrink. Okay, what happens when hippocampus shrinks? You can't store short-term memory. That's very big problem, right? So cleaning up system during sleeping is very, very important. Now, how can you improve your quality of sleeping? There are various ways that you can increase your quality. But if I have to say one thing, try not to use smartphone 1 hour before you go to bed. Why is that? Because light of smartphone is very, very strong. Strong light keeps you awake. If you keep using smartphone all the time, all the night, your body thinks it's not time to go to bed. So if you avoid using smartphone, computer, tablet, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours before you go to bed, your body thinks now it's time to go to bed. That may work for you if you are suffered from insomnia. Okay? In this video, I explained 3 things happening during sleeping. These 3 are very, very important. 1, resting. 2, memory translation. And 3, cleaning up is happening. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.